Page 5, Old German Dance. 4/4 time, no sharps or flats. I'm guessing we're in the key of C major. Let's take this one hand at a time. Right hand first, your thumb's on middle C here. That puts you in this position. At the beginning you just got quarter notes. Make sure you can just... Now the idea first is get the notes and the fingering, so you can play it through and just get all the notes and fingering. Now if it's simple enough for you and you can understand that okay, then go ahead and do the rhythm at the same time. So you can split this up into pieces depending on what you need, but if you're understanding it and you're getting it pretty good, then you can combine the pieces together at one, and do multiple pieces at one time. Here, instead of just doing fingering and notes, I'm going to go ahead and add the rhythm at the same time. So it's here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's quarter notes and half notes until you get down to the third line. Look out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. See the eighth notes? 1 and 2 and... That's the right hand pretty much. The left hand, starting out here, little finger, that puts you in this position. Half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Try and play this without looking at the keyboard, please. You need to develop that feel. And the sooner you develop it, the better you'll be off. The better off you'll be. Something. Let's go down to the third line. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the speed you go is up to you. You don't have to go this fast. You can take it slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But whatever speed you choose, do the whole thing at that speed. Don't speed up and slow down because it got hard all of a sudden, so I had to slow down. No, not allowed. You got to do it all the same speed. So if you have to slow down here, then you take the first part the same slowness. Then when you can do that, put the hands together. What do we got at the beginning? 1, 2. Get the idea, and you go through the whole thing. Get rid of all the hesitations. It's got to be steady. The beat's got to be there. If this is a dance and people are dancing to it, you can't hesitate, or the dancers will trip over themselves and don't know what's going on. The beat has to be there. When you can do that, then add the articulation. Well, there's not a lot going on in articulation. You got some slurs and a few staccatos at the beginning. The left hand doesn't have anything, so you have a choice. When they don't tell you what to do, you have a choice. You can play them connected. All of them connected. You can play just a little bit of silence between each one. It's up to you on what you do. Maybe one time you do it one way and another. Experiment and see what you like. In the right hand, we don't have a choice. We have to connect it here and then staccato there. So. Just using a finger staccato here again. Then connect all that. And then at the end of the line, I got to lift up the right hand because see there was slur, but here. Actually, the left hand you're playing the same note. You can lift both hands up here. So. But I'm playing right now. I'm playing the left hand legato. If I play the left hand disconnected, it's this way. So even with the right hand connected, I'm still disconnected. That's a little harder to do. You may want to just stick with connecting the left hand. Keep it simple till we get down to the third line. Now, the half notes, you can't connect them, so you just play them. The other part is slurred. You connect it. So you're just slurring those. Then we add the dynamics. Medium loud, moderately loud, the first line. That's the right hand. You'll have to decide what moderately loud is. It's sort of loud. Not loud, just sort of loud. Keep the left hand soft. The second line is soft. That's the right hand, so the left hand has to be very soft. It's like an echo of the first line. Then in the third line, you're loud now, and this is the part with the eighth notes. So it's going to go back and forth between the hands. Here, left hand, now right hand, left hand. Another way of doing that is play both hands the same, and it's like two people singing a duet or playing a duet. So play them the same here if you want. That's kind of nice. If you want to try that, you can do both hands the same. And then the last line, it's soft. Now don't play it slower because you got soft. You got to keep the same speed going, but you're just playing it soft is all. And we add the tempo, right? The speed, yeah, speed. Moderato again is somewhere in the middle. It's like a power walk. Walk, 2. In a piece of music, when you're figuring out how fast it goes, you should go find the hardest part of it, the passage. There's usually 1 or 2, and how fast can you play those correctly. So go down to the third line. You see this part? How fast can you play that and control it and even? That's how fast you're going to start. So once you figure this out, then go to the top and do that one. It is more important to play accurately and under control than it is to try and play at some speed somebody else is telling you should play it. Accuracy and control comes first. Now, I would like to play, you learn it, and then I'd like to play it with you to double check your notes and the rhythms, and I'm going to do the dynamics. So I'll give us 4 counts. Let's play this together very slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. One, 2, 3, 4. Four.